Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to send and approve the collaborator request. For that, as an account owner, you need to be logged into your Shopify dashboard. Once you are logged into the Shopify, go to settings. Under user and permission, you will see this 4-digit code which you need to share with your collaborator. So there are two things. First is the store URL which you need to share, and second one is the code, which is in settings under user and permission, and then you have this code. So for example, as an owner, I have shared the URL. This is where the collaborator is going to request the access to your store. So they have this URL already, and then they have this 4-digit code, paste, and the permissions. So as a collaborator, you can check all the permissions which you need the access to. This is not needed, so you can always uncheck it. It's optional. So you can go and check all the permissions here and request access to the store. This is all for the collaborator. And as for this account owner, once the collaborator send you a request, you can check that out in settings under user and permissions. When you scroll down, you will see this request here. Click on it. Expand all the permissions. You can check them one by one. Draft orders for the products and orders. And then you have the analytics, marketing, online store. For example, you do not want to share the access to, let's say, analytics. You can uncheck it at your end. You have this privilege as an account owner, and then accept the request at the end. That's how you approve the request. So once you approve the request as an account owner, then your partner can see the store. Say app work. There you see, you have the access.